Good morning,
all of you. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you wrote the notes of active passive voice in your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Both the days notes I have sent on the WhatsApp group. Keep your grammar copy updated because there is no grammar book. You have to study from the copy only during the for your examination. So the 100 dresses part 1. This is a story about a young girl called Wanda Petronsky. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a story about a young girl whose name is Wanda Petronsky and who is a victim of bullying. Bullying, you understand? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
किसी को परेशान करना, किसी पे कोई चीज के लिए दबाव डालना, अपने आप को पावरफुल प्रेजेंट करना. So Wanda Petronsky is discriminated by her classmates. Wanda Petronsky is a girl from Poland. Polish girl है वो. जो कैरेक्टर की मेन स्टोरी है वांडा पेट्रॉन्स्की. She is a girl from Poland, Polish girl, and she has come to live in America. She's an immigrant. Immigrant, you understand? Hello? Hello? Immigrant, can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Immigrant means what? Immigrant. बोलो. Immigrant का meaning?
मैम जो पर्सन एक शहर से दूसरे शहर में रहने जाते हैं.
Oh yes, very good. So Wanda Petronsky is a immigrant because she belongs to Poland and she has come to live in America. And she is bullied by the American girls. अब वो दूसरे कंट्री से आई है, उनसे थोड़ा सा नाम भी उसका अलग है. So the American girls, they bully her and they tease her, they make fun of her, and Wanda Petronsky, she's tolerates everything silently. Wanda Petronsky tolerates all this bullying and all very, very silently. She's very gentle girl. And then we'll study what happens. She also, the title of the story, it is The 100 Dresses. Because Wanda Petronsky always tells her classmates that she has 100 dresses in her closet, in her shelf. But every day she wears the same faded blue dress. And the girls make fun of her. कहती है कि 100 ड्रेस है अलमीरा में और रोज जो है एक उड़े हुए रंग का कपड़ा पहन कर आती है. तो इस बात पर जो है क्लासमेट्स उसका बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं. But Wanda Petronsky does not react. She's very gentle. She just tolerates everything. So how do we judge the people around us? By their money, wealth, and possessions? How do you judge people around you? कोई पैसा वाला है, किसी के पास बहुत सारा चीज है तो वो बहुत अच्छा है, ऐसा है? Or there is something of more enduring value to look for in a person? What is more important than money or possessions? Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? what is more important than money or possessions?
Ma'am, behavior.
Yes, very good, of course. Behavior, your qualities, your character. So that is more important. Uh, so this story is a sensitive account of how a poor young girl is judged by her classmates. But Wanda Petronsky is very unfortunate. Wanda Petronsky is a young Polish girl who goes to school with other American children in an American town. So Wanda Petronsky is a girl from a different place. Hello, she's an alien in America. American girls don't include her in their group, and she feels very aloof. But she tolerates everything silently. Wanda Petronsky is a young Polish girl who goes to school with other American children in an American town. These other children see Wanda as different in many ways. These other children see Wanda as different in many ways. So these children, they see Wanda as different in many ways. What is Wanda different in? She has a very peculiar name and she belongs to a different country. And can you guess how they treat her? So Wanda Petronsky is a victim of bullying and being ill-treated by her classmates just because she is a foreigner. Recently, many news is coming about Sushant Singh Rajput, that many of the people in the film industry, influential people, they did not include him and they did not invite him to his parties. Even they treated him very unfairly. So ऐसा होता है because he was an outsider. He did not have anyone in the film industry. ऐसा speculations and news आ रहा है. मतलब this chapter is somewhat related to that. That is why I'm telling that incident. Hello, can you hear me, all of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So here the other children see Wanda as different in many ways. Read the information in the box below. Find out more details about his community or about a related topic. The Polish American community. The first Polish immigrants arrived in America in 1608. अब बहुत सारे पॉलिश लोग जो है वो अमेरिका में माइग्रेट किए. ये सब ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. चलो. Today, Monday, Wanda Petronsky was not in her seat, but nobody, not even Peggy and Madeline, the girls who started all the fun, noticed her absence. So, Wanda Petronsky was not in her seat. The Wanda Petronsky is absent in the school. She is not in the classroom. And nobody noticed that she is absent. Even Peggy and Madeline. And Madeline are two of the friends of Wanda Petronsky. Not even Peggy and Madeline, the girls who started all the fun. The girls who started all the fun. What does this mean? Hello? All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. Harsh Kumar. हर्ष कुमार क्यों माइक को ऑन करके रखे थे? डिस्टर्बेंस हो. So Wanda Petronsky was not present in the class, but nobody noticed her. Even the girls who used to make fun of her. कौन दो लड़कियां जो है उस वंडा का मजाक उड़ाती थी? बताओ. हेलो. हेलो, आंसर
Peggy,
पेगी
Peggy
एंड
and Madeline.
पेगी और मैडलिन जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा उसका मजाक उड़ाती थी, लेकिन आज जो है वो नहीं आई थी तो किसी ने नोटिस भी नहीं किया. Usually Wanda sat in the seat next to the last seat in the last row in room 13. Room 13 was the number of their classroom, and which was Wanda's permanent seat next to the last seat. मतलब लड़कियां जो है वंडा को अपने साथ भी नहीं बैठाती थी, उसको कहाँ बैठना पड़ता था? Next to the last row. Wanda sat in the seat next to the last seat in the last row in the room 13. She sat in the corner of the room where the rough boys who did not make good marks sat. And with whom did Wanda have to share the bench? With the rough boys who did not make good marks. तो वंडा को जो है जानबूझ के पीछे का सीट दिया गया जहां बदमाश बच्चे बैठते थे, जहां जो है कम मार्क्स स्कोर करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स बैठते थे. Where the rough boys who did not make good marks sat, the corner of the room where there was the most scuffling of feet. Scuffling means noisy dragging movements of the feet on the ground. जूता का घिसने का आवाज, dragging. हाँ, तो which seat was given to Wanda? Answer. Hello. Which seat
next
was
to the
given
last row.
next to the last row? Why? Because all the rough boys sat there, and intentionally Wanda's classmates made her sit there because she belonged to a different place. They did not include her in their group. There was so much of groupism. Who did not make good marks at the corner of the room where there was the most scuffling of feet, most roars of laughter. अब rough boys थे, पढ़ने लिखने से कोई मतलब नहीं था, तो जूते से आवाज निकालते थे और हंसते थे जोर जोर से. When anything funny was said, and most mud and dirt on the floor, and that part of the classroom was the dirtiest part, and Wanda was made to sit in that part with those rough boys. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. So Wanda was made to sit there. Was it because she was a very bad girl, rough and noisy? No. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. On the opposite, she was very quiet and rarely said anything at all. What kind of a girl was Wanda? Very, very quiet, very gentle, and she was a victim of bullying. Wanda did not sit there because she was rough and noisy. On the opposite, contrary matlab opposite, she was very quiet. She did not say anything at all, and nobody had ever heard her laugh out loud. She was such a gentle girl that she never laughed loudly. Sometimes she twisted her mouth into a crooked sort of smile. Even if she smiled, it was a very quiet smile. अपने लिप्स को थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा करके वो स्माइल करती थी. Nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat in that seat. And no one knew कि वंडा को जो है इतनी क्वाइट, इतनी अच्छी लड़की को जो है क्यों रफ बॉयज के पास बैठा दिया गया. So nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat in that seat unless it was because she came all the way from Boggins Heights. So Boggins Heights is the place where Wanda stays. Nobody knew exactly why Wanda sat in that seat unless it was because she came all the way from Boggins Heights. Wanda came from which place? उसका घर कहाँ था? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ?
From Boggins Heights.
Boggins Heights पे. It was because she came all the way from Boggins Heights. So Wanda came all the way from Boggins Heights and her feet were usually caked with dry mud. और बॉगिन्स हाइट्स जो एरिया था वो एक मडी एरिया था, तो वंडा जब स्कूल आती थी उस एरिया से तो उसके जूते में भी बहुत सारा सूखा मिट्टी होता था. Caked means covered. Her feet were usually caked with dry mud, but no one really thought much about Wanda Petronsky once she sat in the corner of the room. So Wanda Petronsky was a very neglected kind of girl. Everyone made her, all the girls made her sit in the corner, aloof, alone, and nobody thought much about her, neglected, given a second-hand treatment. The time when they thought about Wanda was outside of school hours at noon time, when they were coming back to school, or in the morning, early before the school began, when groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. तो लड़कियां जो है वो वंडा के बारे में ज्यादा सोचा नहीं करती थी. कब सोचा करती थी? द टाइम व्हेन दे थॉट अबाउट वंडा वाज आउटसाइड ऑफ स्कूल आवर्स. स्कूल खत्म होने के बाद, द टाइम व्हेन दे थॉट अबाउट वंडा वाज आउटसाइड ऑफ स्कूल आवर्स एट नून टाइम. When did this think about Wanda? In the afternoon, when they were coming back to school, or in the morning, early before school began. So they thought about Wanda either in the afternoon or in the morning, when groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. अब क्लासरूम में तो बहुत ज्यादा वंडा का मजाक नहीं उड़ा सकते थे, तो वंडा के बारे में कब सोचते थे? या तो स्कूल से पहले, अर्ली मॉर्निंग में, या स्कूल खत्म होने के बाद जब वो वापस आ रहे होते थे. At noon time, when they were coming back to school. So they thought about her either in the afternoon when they were coming back to school, or in the morning, early before school began, because that was the time when they would make fun of her. They could not make fun of her in between the classes. They could not make fun of her inside the classroom. So they waited to make fun, just so cruel, very, very cruel. They waited to make fun of her outside of school hours, when they were coming back to school, or in the morning early before the school began, when groups of 2 or 3 or even more would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. And they would be talking and laughing on their way to the schoolyard. Then sometimes they waited for Wanda to have fun with her. Then sometimes they waited for Wanda to have fun with her. और फिर जो है वो लोग कुछ देर इंतजार भी करते थे कि स्कूल के पहले कि वंडा कब आएगी, कब उनका मजाक उड़ाया जाएगा. Then sometimes they waited for Wanda to have fun with her. The next day, Tuesday, Wanda was not in school either, and nobody noticed her absence again. तो एक दिन वंडा स्कूल नहीं आई, दूसरा दिन ट्यूसडे था, फिर वंडा स्कूल नहीं आई, and nobody noticed her absence again. But on Wednesday, Peggy and Maddie, who sat down front with other children who got good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud, did notice that Wanda wasn't there. So Monday she did not come, Tuesday she did not come, and nobody noticed. But on Wednesday, third day, when Wanda did not come, then the two girls noticed who got good marks. So Peggy and Maddie were the intelligent girls of the classroom. Peggy and Maddie, who got good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud. और वो ऐसी लड़कियां थी जो क्लास को गंदा भी नहीं करती थी. Who got good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud. Who got good marks and who didn't track in a whole lot of mud did notice that Wanda wasn't there. And what did they notice? That Wanda wasn't there. Peggy was the most popular girl in school. Peggy was the school की सबसे पॉपुलर लड़की कौन है? Hello.
Peggy.
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 Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty. She had many pretty clothes and her hair was curly. So पेगी जो है वो सब कोई उसको पसंद करता था. क्यों? क्योंकि दिखावे का दुनिया है. जो सुंदर दिखता है, जो अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं, सब लोग उसी को पसंद करते हैं. तो पेगी का भी ऐसा ही था. She was intelligent in studies. She was beautiful. She wore good clothes. Her hair was also curly, and that is why people liked her. She was very popular. Popular means liked by the people. Maddie was her closest friend. The reason Peggy and Mary noticed Wanda's absence was because Wanda had made them late to school. और पेगी और मैडी ने वंडा का एब्सेंस क्यों नोटिस किया? क्योंकि वंडा हैड मेड देम लेट टू स्कूल. वंडा के कारण वो लोग स्कूल लेट से पहुंचे. इंतजार कर रहे थे बाहर, स्कूल के बाहर, कि वंडा कब आए और कब उसका मजाक उड़ाए. और इंतजार करते करते स्कूल को लेट हो गया, वंडा तो आई नहीं. तो दैट इज व्हाई दे noticed that Wanda was not there, because of Wanda they were late for school. They were waiting for Wanda. It had become a kind of routine for them to make fun of her. They had waited and waited for Wanda to have some fun with her. क्या सोचा था कि चलो क्लास में जाने से पहले थोड़ा वंडा का मजाक उड़ा के थोड़ा एंटरटेनमेंट कर ले. Some fun with her, and she just hadn't come. They often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. ये जो है उनका एक रेगुलर फीचर था कि वो वंडा के साथ रुकते थे, उसके साथ मजाक उड़ाने के लिए. They often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. And they often waited for Wanda Petronsky to have fun with her. Where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? Batao. Oral comprehension. Answer? Someone?
Next in the last row.
Next to the last row.
Why?
Because the rough boy sat there.
Because the girls did not include her in the group. Where does Wanda live? याद है ना? बताए थे. Muddy area. What kind of place do you think it is? It is a muddy area. Why? Because when Wanda came to school, her shoes had a lot of dry mud. When and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence? Answer? Answer?
On Wednesday.
On Wednesday. And when? कब नोटिस किया?
Before school began.
आराम से
To have some fun with her.
5th चैप्टर है और ये सिलेबस भी बहुत ये हो चुका है, तो आराम से ही पढ़ा रहे हैं, इसीलिए इंटरेक्शन भी थोड़ा हो जाएगा. क्या तो when before the school began, because they were late for school, waiting for Wanda to have fun with her. They waited and waited, but Wanda did not come and they were late for school, and that is how they noticed. When is in the morning, when they waited for Wanda and were late for school. When का आंसर वो होगा. What do you think to have fun with her means? To have fun with her means what? Was their intention very pure कि चलो वंडा के साथ बस थोड़ा मस्ती करते हैं? What do you think about their intention? Huh? Is their intention good or is it too?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, their
No.
intention is not good. They are treating her badly because she does not belong to their community. Discrimination. They are practicing discrimination with her. Wanda Petronsky, most of the children in room 13 didn't have names like that. Vanda had a very strange name. Because she belonged to a different country, she did not have the American name. They had names easy to say like Thomas, Smith or Allen. American children का नाम कैसा था? थोड़ा आसान सा, जैसे Thomas, Smith, Allen. There was one boy named Bounce, Willie Bounce, and we thought that was funny. और एक नाम था एक लड़का का Willie Bounce, and everyone thought that this name is also silly. Willie Bounce, but not funny in the same way that Petronsky was. Petronsky, very, very funny for the American girls. Wanda didn't have any friends. She came to school alone and went home alone. Poor Wanda, कोई दोस्त ही नहीं है. अकेले स्कूल तक आना, घर भी अकेले जाना. She always wore a faded blue dress that didn't hang right. So always Wanda wore a faded blue dress. Wanda always wore a faded blue dress that didn't hang right. Means it didn't fit her properly. She wore a blue dress that did not fit her properly. It was clean, but it looked as though it had never been ironed properly. So Wanda's dress was not up to the mark according to the American girls. America के school में जो है वो you don't have to wear uniforms. You can wear dresses. So the American girls, they wore good dresses. What about poor Wanda? She wore the same dress every day, faded blue dress, एकदम रंग उड़ा हुआ सा ब्लू ड्रेस. और वो ड्रेस भी जो है वो बड़ा था, लग रहा था किसी से मांग के पहने हुए. Did not fit her, and it was very crushed also, not ironed properly. She didn't have any friends, but a lot of girls talked to her. दोस्त तो कोई नहीं थे, लेकिन सब उससे बात करते थे. बात क्या, मजाक उड़ाते थे. Sometimes they surrounded her in the schoolyard as she stood watching the little girls play hopscotch. And usually where did they make fun of her? Not inside the classroom. Inside the classroom, if they make fun, they will be punished. तो स्कूल यार्ड में, स्कूल के कैंपस में बाकी लड़कियां जो है वो हॉपस्कॉच खेला करती थी. वंडा को गेम्स में भी इंक्लूड नहीं करते थे. हाउ क्रूएल द गर्ल्स आर. And the American girls, they used to play the game hopscotch, a game in which children hop into and over squares marked on the ground. खेले हो कभी तुम लोग ऐसा गेम? ये ग्राउंड में जो है रेक्टेंगल बना देते हैं और उस पे जंप कर करके एक पैर से. Hopscotch. Have you played this game? Anyone? A game in which children hop into and over squares marked on the ground. So American girls, can you hear me, all of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अमेरिकन गर्ल्स जो है वो कौन सा गेम खेलती थी? हॉपस्कॉच. वंडा को इंक्लूड नहीं करती थी उसमें. ऑन द वन हार्ड ग्राउंड. वन मतलब घिसा हुआ ग्राउंड था. वंडा, पेगी वुड से in a most Wanda, Peggy would say in a most courteous manner, as though she were talking to Miss Mason. और पेगी जो है वो मजाक भी उड़ाती थी, तो किस तरह? एकदम प्यार से मजाक उड़ाती थी, courteous manner में. ये नहीं कि ये करके गुस्सा होके. She made fun of her, but in what way? In a very, very courteous manner, as if she were talking to her teacher. Miss Mason was their teacher. Miss Mason. So just look at the girls, how cruel they are. एकदम मजाक उड़ा रही है, लेकिन pretend क्या कर रही है कि बहुत ये है. Pretend क्या कर रही है कि बहुत polite है, courteous है, as though she were talking to Miss Mason, जैसे आपने टीचर से बात कर रही हो. Wanda, she would say, giving one of her friends a nudge. Nudge means a gentle push. Wanda, she would say, giving one of her friends a nudge. पेगी, सबसे पहले ये मजाक उड़ाने का ये कौन शुरुआत करता था? पेगी। वो अपने दोस्त को हल्का सा धक्का देती थी, पुश। हाउ मेनी ड्रेसेस डिड यू से यू हैड हैंगिंग अप इन योर क्लोजेट? और वो सवाल पूछती थी वांडा से कि वांडा, तुम्हारे अलमीरा में तुम्हारे कितने ड्रेसेस हैं? How many dresses did you say you had hanging up in your closet? So this is the way the girls made fun of her. हाँ, सब एक दूसरे से इशारे में ये करती थी, चलो, और एक पुश करके इशारा से और सवाल पूछती थी. 100 Wanda would say, innocent Wanda. उसको ये भी नहीं पता था कि लड़कियां मजाक उड़ा रही है. वो सोचती थी अच्छा पूछ रही है तो बता देते हैं. 100 Wanda would say. 100 exclaimed all the little girls incredulously. Incredulously means showing unwillingness to believe. Incredulous means what? Incredulous means you don't believe anything. 100 exclaimed all the little girls incredulously, unwillingness, and the little ones would stop playing hopscotch and listen. And the little ones would stop playing hopscotch and listen. So when Wanda replied that she has 100 dresses in her almirah, what did the other girls say? 100? They would exclaim incredulously, मतलब कि जैसे विश्वास ही नहीं कर हो रहा हो. And listen, ये 100 all lined up said Wanda. और Wanda आगे भी बोलती थी, हाँ हाँ सही में 100 है, सब एक लाइन से जो है वो हैंग किए हुए हैं, all lined up. Then her thin lips drew together in silence, and then Wanda was silent. So Wanda is such a gentle, simple-hearted, innocent girl. Girls are making fun of her, but she was not even aware that they are making fun. हट जाती, जवाब नहीं देती, उसको तो पता ही नहीं था कि उसका मजाक उड़ाया जा रहा है. और वो ये 100 all lined up said Wanda. Then her thin lips drew together in silence. उसके बाद कुछ देर जो है वो एकदम शांत हो जाती थी. What are they like? All silk, I bet, said Peggy. फिर वो पूछती थी कि तुम्हारे ड्रेसेस कैसे दिखते हैं, किस मटेरियल के बने हैं? हाँ, What are they like? All silk, I bet. अब आगे मजाक उड़ाती थी पेगी कि सारे सिल्क के ड्रेसेस होंगे. I challenge. Bet means challenge. All silk, I challenge, said Peggy. ये all silk, all colors, velvet too. So what did Wanda reply? कि हाँ हाँ ज्यादातर जो है सिल्क और वेलवेट के हैं. All silk, all colors. और वो कहती थी कि उसके सारे कपड़े जो हैं वो अलग अलग कलर्स के हैं. Material is silk and velvet. Some dresses are made of silk, velvet dresses are also there, and they are of different colors. Ye velvet too, 100 dresses, Wanda would repeat stolidly, not showing any feelings. एकदम ये आराम से, कोई feelings नहीं. वंडा को लगता ही नहीं था कि सब मजाक उड़ा रही हैं. Stolidly, all lined up in my closet. Then they'd let her go, and then before she'd gone very far, they couldn't help bursting into shrieks and peals of laughter. जवाब देके वंडा आगे बढ़ गई और पीछे से सारी लड़कियां जो है वो उस पे हंसती थी. Shrieks and peals of laughter. And the other girls, after Wanda moved a little further, the girls would laugh at her. 2-3 क्वेश्चन लिख लो. हेलो, पिंटू इज प्रेजेंट. हेलो हेलो.
Yes,
अमन.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अमन, पिंटू, कोई एक अटेंडेंस ले लो. कल 10D में सिर्फ 12 स्टूडेंट्स प्रेजेंट थे, सबका रिकॉर्ड रखे हुए हैं. हाँ, 10D students, why you are not attending the class? I can't understand.
मैम
हम
10D का
दूसरा
अटेंडेंस
बच्चा सब
ले
अटेंड ही नहीं करता है।
हाँ हाँ
10D का अटेंडेंस ले लिया मैम।
ले लिए हो ना, थैंक यू। और पिंटू तुम भी ओरिजिनल नाम से तुम लोग आओ, हमको रिकॉर्ड रखना है। और so first question you write, who was Wanda and how was she treated at school? Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
पहला लिखो क्वेश्चन, who was Wanda and how was she treated at school? Second question,
मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिएगा।
who was Wanda and how was she treated at school? Who was Wanda and how was she treated at school? Who was Wanda and how was she treated at school? Then second question, how did Peggy and the other girls make fun of Wanda? दो क्वेश्चन है, होमवर्क है ये दोनों क्वेश्चन, और 4 क्वेश्चन जो बीच में था वो भी, that is today's homework. Who was Wanda and how did the girls treat her at school? Second question is, how did Peggy make fun of Wanda? How did Peggy along with the other girls make fun of Wanda? So these 2 questions are your homework. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
क्लास 10G में भी कम ही स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं।
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा क्यों है? मोटिवेट करो तुम लोग अपने फ्रेंड्स को।